Hi guys, I am Sanket and you are watching Curious Guruji. In this video, we are talking on Python programming language. So first question is, what is Python? Python is a high-level, interpreted and general-purpose dynamic programming language that focuses on coding readability. The syntax in Python helps the programmers to do coding in a fewer steps as compared to Java or C++. So what is interpreted? Interpreted means type of programming language for which most of its implementation execute instructions freely and directly without previously compiling a program into machine language instructions. So what is dynamic programming? Is an algorithm technique for solving an optimization problem by breaking it down into sub-problems. The Python features are the language founded in 1991 by developers. The Python is widely used bigger organization because it is multiple programming paradigms. They usually involve imperative and object-oriented functional programming. It has a large standard library that has automatic memory management and dynamic features. The software companies prefer Python language because its versatile features and fewer programming code. The programmers of big companies use Python as it has created a mark for itself in a software development. There are many advantages of Python programming language. First is versatile, easy to use and fast to develop. Python focuses on code readability. The language is versatile and neat, easy to use and learn readable and well structured. Second advantage is open source with a vibrant community. You can download Python for free and writing code in a matter of minutes. Third advantage is has all libraries you can imagine. You can find a library for basically anything you could imagine, from web development to game development into machine learning. The fourth advantage is great for prototypes. You can do more with less code. Python is easy to learn and fast to develop with. You can do more with less code. There are many also disadvantages of Python programming language. The Python experienced programmer always recommend to use the right tool for the object. It's good to know not only Python advantages but also its disadvantages. The first disadvantage of Python language is speed limitation. Python is an interpreted language, so you find that it is slower than some other popular language. But if speed is not the most important consideration for your project, then Python will serve you just fine. The second disadvantage is not native to mobile environment. Python is not native to mobile environment and it is seen by some programmers as a weak language for a mobile computing. The most important question is why Python is so popular. Because the first and foremost reason why Python is much popular, it is highly productive as compared to other programming languages like C++ and Java. Second, developers to write very fewer lines of code for tasks that require more lines of code in other languages. This makes Python very easy to learn programming language even for beginners and newbies. The third most popular reason is average Python salary is in US is $1,19,082 per year or $56.78 per hour. Therefore, Python is the most popular language and the salaries grew up 15% last 4 years. Therefore, the Python is the most popular and most usable language in computer programming.